that was good. She scooped her nose over it and just kept going. So when things like that happen, I decide myself how long will I let them look, and then I might say, let's go. Like, that's enough, let's go. Because you never know if scent is pooling. I'm always reluctant. And we crossed sides here. But it's narrow, so I said, don't worry if she doesn't cross sides. There she goes. Really good. And if you were in a blind track, you'd think my dog is just leaping to smell like a rabbit, you know? Give her line here to find it. Just do her own sorting. And that was just fine. I would rather have a dog do an indication like that because they don't get out of flow. That's all Micah does now. A nose touch, that's it. But you just have to watch for it, that's all. So at that dandelion, you go across to the bench. Now you can see the post. I would go up right now and untangle her back legs before she gets to the turn. There. So we're watching for body language that she's at us. Look at that, good girl. The next time she goes out there, even for 10 steps, go with her. So back up or circle or there, go. Let you guys just stay still for this crossing after we do what we did for sugar. I hear praise. She's already indicating that it goes left with her leaning. You know, the left nostril, right nostril? They lean the way it goes, you see. Because her left nostril takes all the scent in that way, and the body just does it. The zombie. So this is her turn. Good, circle her and go, Sugar, go, go, go. Now you can stay on the track. Give her a line. She's in the scent cone of the article, probably. Remember, at scent cones, they tend to suddenly circle.